Hi Honey Buns!
And welcome to our first YouTube video in a while. So we've got all of these different flavours of Fanta and we're going to take turns being blindfolded to try each flavour of Fanta and we're going to have to try and guess which flavour it is. Slight issue, I'm not supposed to eat any unnecessary sugar.
She can't.
Because I have reactive hypoglycemia, and for example this one has 81% sugar in it. So I'm going to be having very little sips. Who's going to go first? Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah, sure.
One of three or just one?
Just one. Ah!
Mix them up as well because I might already know where some of
Right,
them
okay.
are.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, you're going to have to help me because I'm
Right,
probably going to knock them over. Where should I start? Here?
Yeah, if you want.
You need to help me.
Okay.
Or are you bringing it to me?
This is the flavor, guys.
The straw's the wrong way. Okay. Right. Strawberry.
Okay. This is the second.
Peach. Yeah. I feel really, like I'm doing good.
Okay.
That also tastes like strawberry.
Okay.
It tastes like
Next
Copperberg. Oh.
What?
I have no idea. Orange?
Next one.
You're going very fast.
Oh, okay. Oh, do you want to try again?
Yes!
The...
No, I want the next one.
Okay. Come on, Jorge.
Lemon.
Right.
That one's not nice.
Okay. You ready for the last one?
Blueberry was... Oh, you can't tell me.
Oh.
I'm saying
Yeah,
blueberry.
I can tell you. You ready for the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the last one. Try ready slow. Ready slow.
What? Can I try it again?
Okay.
I have no idea.
Okay, do you want to try one again or you ready?
No, I need to think of an answer. Apple.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I take it off?
Yeah. Definitely this one is no blueberry.
I got them
You say
so
this-
wrong.
I think you say this one orange or this one. So
Is this lemon?
no, it's pineapple.
Pineapple. I got them so wrong. I think I got... Did I get peach? I don't think I got any of them wrong.
Yeah, I think this one.
I got them so wrong.
Wow, Jorge, you're really bad.
Thanks. Now it's your turn.
Yeah, but it's more hard because it have like different flavors, you know.
How do you feel?
I feel okay because I'm a really good taster.
That's how I felt and then I did it.
Wait, let me, because I don't want to be a tramposo. A cheetah.
A cheetah, yeah, good job.
Thanks.
I've dribbled this everywhere and all of the artificial colours and flavours are going to stain the table.
Right.
Right. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I want to start with this.
Okay.
Peach.
Okay.
Wait,
Are we changing our answer?
can I try again, please? Yeah, peach. No. Yeah.
Next one.
Again, please.
For goodness sake, you're going to drink all of them.
Pineapple.
Okay. Can you sit?
No.
Sorry.
Strawberry.
Next one.
Blueberry.
Next one.
I'm really going to this game. What flavor is this one?
This is the hardest one. Because it's not an actual like fruit. Oh, I've just given you a clue.
Yeah, but I can't remember the flavors. Oh, can I try him?
Have a big,
Oh.
big sip.
I wanna say tropical fruit? Fruits? Tropical? I don't.
No.
Oh, okay. Orange.
One more. Is this where we're going to slip up?
Let me try.
Oh, let me just pick it up.
Hooray! Cherry?
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You got them all right, apart from the last one.
What is this?
Strawberry and kiwi. All the rest you got right. This one you said tropical and it's exotic, but
Why is the same?
it's like the
literally.
same. Yeah. Can't believe it. I got them all wrong and you got them all right. It's the Fanta. Which one was your favourite one?
I think blueberry.
I really like the peach.
This is orange. Oh,
It
no.
isn't.
Oh yeah. I don't have my glasses. Yeah.
Can I have another bit?
Yeah, sure.
Which is your least favourite?
Sorry?
Which is your tu menos favorito?
I think the last one.
What, this one?
Yeah.
This tastes like Copperberg.
Mm,
Although I said that about a completely different one when we were
yeah, but...
playing.
Well, you wanna do something?
What?
What, you guys?
What are you planning?
Look at these guys.
What are we doing? Are you going to mix them all together?
Sure.
Can I help?
Yeah.
Oh, the colour doesn't look
What is
natural.
this?
It looks scary.
Miss Shop.
Michelle. This colour, like, no drink should be this colour.
Right, you go first.
No, we'll do it together.
No, because you lose.
Wish me luck, guys. It's not bad.
Oh.
It's not bad. It's quite nice. It tastes like bubblegum soda.
What?
Hmm.
It's really nice.
My teeth hurt.
Why not?
Well, you enjoy your cocktail.
Choose love.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for all the support recently on our YouTube channel. I can't believe we've got over 600 subscribers.
I know.
We're so grateful for all of you that are here for us every day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
And give us ideas for the next video. And we'll put our social medias down here right now.
Yeah.
But you can follow us on TikTok as Holly and Diego. My Instagram is HollyHDZX.
My Instagram is josediego.lopez.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.